There are a whole range of signal words that indicate cause and effect, and we're going to look at some of the more advanced ones here. The phrases that I'm going to explain link the cause and effect in the same sentence at the beginning, and then I'll come to some that link them in different sentences. Let's start with the first one. Due to. Due to the lack of rain, the harvest failed. So here, due to is really saying the reason or the cause. And then it's followed by a noun phrase, not a verb, just a noun phrase. If the harvest succeeded, we could have said due to rain, the harvest succeeded. We just need a noun after due to. The lack of rain is the cause. The harvest failed is the effect. This one comes in a different place in the sentence. The pollution in the city resulted in bad air quality. So here, the pollution in the city is the cause. And then our signal word joins the result at the end, or the effect at the end, bad air quality. Notice here, we're using a verb to create cause and effect. The pollution in the city is a noun phrase. We have the pollution, and then in the city is a prepositional phrase that gives more information to the noun pollution. We have a noun phrase, then the verb, result, or resulted in, is kind of like a phrasal verb construction because it's so common to put result with the preposition. And then bad air quality is the noun phrase at the end. So this is just a one clause sentence, and resulted in helps to create that link between a cause in the subject and the effect in the object. Here's another one. The effect of building the tunnel was that journey times decreased dramatically. So here we can split this into two parts. The effect of building the tunnel. This is all one noun phrase. The effect of building the tunnel. So the effect literally introduces a noun which has the effect, has the cause in it. Building the tunnel is the cause, and the effect of the cause was that journey times decreased dramatically. So that's the effect. The effect is that journey times decreased dramatically. So literally, they built a tunnel, building the tunnel, and something happened after. Journey times decreased dramatically. So to make this work, really you have to start with the effect of, then the cause activity in participle form, or a simple noun phrase, then our verb was. So really when we use effect, the effect of, we need to link that verb has to go in there. Often we'll use that to introduce a clause, but we don't have to introduce a clause afterwards. So here, clause journey times is the noun, verb decreased dramatically, the adverb. But we could have written it in a different way. We could have said this instead, was better journey times. So here it's simply followed by a noun phrase, better journey times. So after was, the effect can be a clause or could be another noun. Now let's come to phrases which link one sentence to another. These are just two. There are a few more, but these are two of the main ones. The tunnel was built, consequently, journey times decreased. And let's look at the second one. There was a lack of rain. Accordingly, the harvest failed. So consequently and accordingly start new sentences, and after consequently and accordingly we have the effect. So the cause sentence has to come first and the effect sentence has to come second with consequently and accordingly. Here we cannot reduce the cause into a noun phrase or the effect into a noun phrase. We have to have a full clause. The tunnel was built. Subject, verb. There was a lack of rain. Subject, verb, and then an object afterwards. Journey times decreased. Subject, verb. The harvest failed. Subject, verb. So you have to have that subject verb and the verb has to have a time element to it. Can we change this so that the effect comes first? We can do it like this. Let's pick on this as an example. Journey times decreased. This was due to the new tunnel. So here we use this and the signal word to introduce the cause, and this lets us put the cause afterwards. Now here after due to, of course, we use a noun. But if we change this to because, then we can introduce a full clause. This was because the new tunnel was built. So here are a number of options if you want to indicate cause and effect with slightly more advanced linking words and grammatical structures. But remember, certain words go with certain grammatical features, such as due to with the noun, and others go in a different place in the sentence, such as resulted in, which is the verb in the middle of the sentence.